Hi everyone! Have you ever wondered about library research, how to make it, and what's its purpose? This video will help you understand more about its meaning, structure, how to format citations, making evaluations, and examples. But first of all, let's fix these jumbled words included in our discussion. Let's see if you got all the correct answers. Alright, let's proceed to our main topic. Library research. It is an integral component of research projects in most academic settings. It's more than an academic writing project that summarizes the information on a specific topic taken from primary and secondary sources. Here are the essential steps you can follow. Step 1. Find relevant sources. Step 2. Collect the necessary data. Synthesize all the information. Step 4. Form the main points to present in the paper. Step 5. Find evidence to support every claim. As with all academic writing papers, each part of library research papers has a specific structure. The title, overview, writing results, bibliography, and references. Library research paper should start with a compelling title, and its title should fit the following criteria. Reflects the core topic of the research paper, and it should contain up to 15 words. Identifies the purpose of research. Grabs the reader's attention. Doesn't include unknown abbreviations. Too complex lexical and grammar constructions. Clear, concise, mistakes-free. The title is without doubt a part of a research that is read the most and it is read first. Here are some example titles of library research paper. All of them contains the fewest possible words that adequately describe the content and purpose of the research paper. Next on title is overview. Here you have to use secondary literature to provide a general background. An overview helps the author to establish the context and to introduce the hypothesis. The thesis statement should clearly and concisely answer the research question and be easily understandable for the reader. It is crucial to develop a strategy. One of the research methods is to go from general to specific ideas. Here are some useful tips that will make your research process smoother. Use keywords. Start searching the info in a database using broad terms to get the general ideas. Then narrow it down by inserting more specific keywords into the search tool to find clear examples, essential studies, and statistics. Start with broad context. First, present the general knowledge of your field of study, then go to more specific facts, details, and examples. Overall, your reader is supposed to dive into your topic gradually. Check multiple databases. Don't forget that there are plenty of them and you can examine several. It's always possible to find enough information. You should know the basics of digital library management and search for sources properly and effectively. Take a look at our example of library research hypothesis. Overall, by the end of your overview, the reader should know two things: the background of the issue you are going to investigate and your hypothesis. The next step is the presentation of the recent results. Follow these tips to get credible sources. Find books through the catalog. Use citation to find it quickly. Use scholarly databases to find journals and peer-reviewed articles. If you need news or magazine articles, go to the online newspaper or magazine edition. For dictionaries and encyclopedias, search in reference source databases. The evaluation of the sources is another crucial part of research paper writing. To do it properly, answer 3 simple questions. Who created the work? Who published the book or article? And who are the readers? Why is the work valuable for your library research paper? Why might the source be inappropriate for your assignment? And why the authors created this work? When was the work created? And when was the work published? The last element of your paper is the summary. In this part, you need to summarize your arguments and make a clear conclusion regarding your findings. See some insightful tips. Connect the last paragraph to your introduction. The summary starts with a well-paraphrased thesis statement. It should highlight all the keywords and the core idea of the paper. Motivate your readers. In your summary, you can also cause your readers to investigate your issue further, suggest new ways of thinking, expand their horizons, and make them interested in your field of study. Prove the significance of your work. Explain why your ideas are relevant and how they can help the readers. Take a look at our example of library research summarizing sentences to have a clear understanding of how a conclusion looks like. Bibliography presents the list of sources used in the process of writing. It proves that your work is not plagiarized and filled with reliable information. But before we continue, do you have any idea what is the 2 most popular format in citation? You're right, it's APA and MLA format. Why do you need to cite? To avoid plagiarism, and to demonstrate the reliability of your sources, and to let your readers find the sources for further investigation of your topic. When do you need to cite? When you are using direct quotes, taking the ideas, statistics, facts from other sources, and when you are paraphrasing the other thoughts using your own words. How to format citations. Figure out what citation style is required. The most popular ones are MLA format and the APA style. Investigate the aspects of the required citation style. If you are unsure about something, ask your instructor or find a formatting manual. Always proofread and double-check. Ensure that your in-text citations and reference lists are neat and free of mistakes. See for yourself. Here is the example of in-text citations. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something about library research.